Hello, I'm Elkana Jan. Welcome to Woe But True. Today, I'm going to be talking about this problem we have when playing a song and we receive a VN or something, and we're trying to hear it privately without it being outcast onto the Bluetooth speaker. All you have to do is go to the Galaxy Store or your Play Store, then type out Sound Assistant. You can see it here in the recent searches, and it will give you this first app, which is the Sound Assistant. You open, then you customize it as you like. Talking about the problem, we go down to this separate app sound. You tap it, then you turn it on, then you choose whether you want your WhatsApp messages, your WhatsApp VN to come out from your phone speaker and not your Bluetooth speaker. So we have WhatsApp here, we have WhatsApp, and we have audio device, which is either your phone or your Bluetooth speaker. So let's try it out. Let's go on to the WhatsApp app. Let's go on to the WhatsApp app. Let's hear the VN. Okay. Then let's increase. You have to increase your volume. Then you see something pop up on the screen. Let's go. You see these small dots that pop up on the screen. You tap it, then you go on. Let's say you just received the VN and it starts playing. Let's say I tapped it, then I increase the volume, then I touch this tab, then you see this. You tap this icon, then it starts playing on your phone speaker and not the Bluetooth speaker. So let's try it once more. You will observe that the sound coming out from the background goes down when I'm listening to the VN. So let's go now. Let's hear it from my phone speaker. Hello, welcome to Woe But True. Can you see the difference? Can you hear the difference? So now it's coming out from my phone speaker and not the Bluetooth speaker. This is useful when hosting a party. Your phone is connected to the Bluetooth speaker, then you receive a message that you don't want it to be heard aloud. So thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.